In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ClickUp to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the official ClickUp Chrome extension installed and ready, so you can quickly create tasks, capture screenshots, and track time right from your browser. First, open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official marketplace for extensions, so it's the safest place to install tools like ClickUp. You can get there by typing Chrome Web Store into your search bar and clicking the official result, or by navigating directly if you've bookmarked it before. Make sure you're using Chrome, since this process is designed specifically for it. Once you're in the web store, use the search box and type ClickUp. You'll see several results, but the one you want is titled ClickUp, Tasks, Screenshots, Email, Time. That exact name helps you confirm you're selecting the right extension. You can also glance at the developer name to ensure it's from the official ClickUp team and check ratings if you like, but the title alone is a reliable indicator you've found the correct one. Click into the ClickUp extensions page, then choose Add to Chrome. A small prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will download and install it automatically, and this typically takes just a few seconds. When it's done, Chrome will confirm that the extension has been added. Now look to the top right corner of your browser for the ClickUp icon. Go ahead and click it. You'll be asked to sign in or create an account. If you already use ClickUp, just enter your credentials and continue. If you're new, you can create an account in a moment. After signing in, select your workspace so the extension connects to the right place for your tasks and projects. Picking the correct workspace ensures that anything you create from the browser lands exactly where your team expects it. After installation, you'll notice the ClickUp icon in the top right area of Chrome. Clicking it opens quick actions that make everyday work faster. New Task lets you capture ideas, links, or to-dos on the fly without switching tabs. Screenshot helps you grab visual context from a page and attach it to a task so nothing gets lost in translation. Track Time allows you to start and stop timers from your browser, helping you log work accurately as you go. That's all it takes. You've added the official ClickUp extension to Chrome and connected it to your workspace so you can work smarter directly from your browser.